Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Most of our students asked about the rakats in prayer. So today, inshallah, we will talk about the rakats in prayer. First of all, we will talk about the Fajr prayer. There are four rakats in Fajr prayer, two sunnah and two farz. In the second prayer time is Zohar. There are 12 rakats in Zohar prayer. First four are Sunnah, second four are Farz, then two Sunnah, and then two Nafal. And the third prayer time is Asr. Asr has 8 rakats. First four Sunnah and second four Farz. And third prayer time is Maghrib. There are 7 rakats in Maghrib. First 3 Farz, then 2 Sunnah, and then 2 Nafal. And the fifth prayer time is Isha. There are 17 rakats in Isha prayer. First 4 are Sunnah, then second 4 are Farz, then 2 Sunnah, then 2 Nafal, then 3 Witr, and then 2 Nawafil. And there are 14 rakats in Jummah prayer. First 4 are Sunnah, then 2 Farz, then 4 Sunnah, and then 2 Sunnah, and after that is 2 Nafal.
Online Quran Academy. We teach online Quran through WhatsApp, Skype, and Zoom all over the world. We offer Qaida, Nazara, Quran with Tajweed, Hifz Quran with Tajweed, basic duas and kalamas, basic namaz lessons, Quran translation. Why choose us? Because we have highly qualified male and female staff, no age limitation, one-to-one classes, time and day at your own choice. So what are you waiting for? Join and get 3 days of free demo classes. Make the Quran a part of your daily life. WhatsApp number